my money. If a nigga tryna take my money, I turn it into stomach. Yeah, feel like a Peter when I'm running with this baby night. I feel like a trigger with the 4-5 up one. Feel like
What else? Wave.
Okay, for real. So I just think actually it's a broader conversation with that being the recent posting, right? I feel like battle rap needs to really get into streaming and things like that that's going on right now to like push it further for real. Like I know you doing it, I know T Top does it, I know a few people do it, but yeah, I feel like damn near everybody needs to start pushing that anyway so we can like new gain new fans, new eyes on battle rap, shit like that. So I think that's the more important part of it. I get like the trolling shit, whatever. I troll and shit too. If it's funny, it's funny. But yeah, people need to really like actually take notes and start like following suit for real with that type of shit for battle rap. That's all.
Nah, you 1,000,000% right. I'm actually in the well. I was supposed to do it with somebody else, but I'm still in the works. I'm not even saying I want to do it. I'm gonna do it. That's where it's at. Like niggas need to minimize doing all these events multiple times
Man,
to doing that shit.
listen, listen, man. It's levels to this shit, my nigga. It's levels to this shit, and motherfuckers pick and choose, and that's the end of it. You feel me? So some shit not acceptable for DNA because it's DNA. We not gonna act like wilding out is the coolest thing in the world. Khan do some corny shit, say some corny shit. Hitman say some corny shit, do some corny shit. But because it's Hitman, because it's Khan, it's nah. You doing what the fuck you supposed to do. Period. You doing what the fuck you supposed to do. Battle rap ain't the end all be all. 3,500 a battle, 5,000 a battle is not going to take care of your kids for the rest of life. Your life. You making positions. You putting yourself in position to further yourself. What it is some of these motherfuckers have literally all day to sit back and pick apart the niggas who count lives. So now we could talk about what DNA is doing on TikTok and what DNA is also on Power. Like my thing is this: the people that got no problem stabbing at the culture and stabbing at niggas and stuff like that is the same people that you want go across that same person page that send a shot at you that don't say, damn, that was DNA music I heard on Raising Canaan last night. Damn, that was DNA music I heard on Power last night. Damn, I ain't gonna lie, like DNA is in the guard. Like these niggas, like this whole little rat race weird shit that's going on in battle rap is like because in one breath you niggas is pulling down the same motherfucker. Like, how can you poke holes in the boat that you need to get us to where we gotta get? It's only certain faces that's gonna get us to a certain level. I don't give a fuck how much these space rappers think they dope and these low tier and these mid tier, and it's some fire niggas. But in reality, it's the faces. Like Steph Curry pushes the league further. LeBron pushes the league. It's certain people in certain markets that only know the who's, whether you niggas like them or not. Like DNA name rings past. You go like you might go to Asia or Southeast Africa, shit like that. They not gonna know some of these niggas that's prevalent in these spaces and in the because this is a niche culture like people like to say. So you might be known in the room and in the small rooms and stuff like that, but once you start talking London and Africa and all that shit, we talking about DNA. We talking about Hitman Hollers and Sue Surfs and whoever else. It don't even matter because I'm not trying to direct it at nobody. But in reality, what motherfuckers should be doing is because like I tell niggas all the time, this is the one business that there wasn't no structure of how it was supposed to be done prior to us doing it. The way a battle rapper is supposed to conduct themselves is currently being constructed as we speak right now because it's never been done before. So instead of motherfuckers jabbing at you they should be trying to follow you and follow suit. Like you're one of the most accomplished battle rappers in the whole world. They have websites for this stuff. This is what verse track is for. This is what, by definition, it's so funny because niggas is so ass. Like, you could look at different sports and different other worlds, right? and we could like logically make sense of that shit. If I show you an NBA paper and I say these are the top 10 assist leaders in the NBA ever, you gonna grasp exactly what the fuck I'm talking about. But if I point to you and show you DNA at number 4 ever in this culture, you can't process that he one of the what are you talking about? He's one of the most accomplished battle rappers ever to do it. And you got niggas who can't even get on a fucking volume talking about what he's supposed to be doing and what he's not doing. It don't make sense. Some of you niggas don't make sense. And that's why the culture is where the fuck is at right now. Period. This shit don't make sense. It's damned if you do, damned if you don't. If he step away and shut the fuck up and want to throw on a fucking safari outfit, you niggas got a problem. If he battling 15 times a year and he eligible for fucking Cody, then he battle too much. You niggas is fucking clowns. You niggas is clowns. That nigga's taking care of his kid in a world right now where it's hard to take care of a kid. You got niggas that's loudly on this battle rap coach, like niggas on these social media spots screaming out loud, help me, I'm drowning. That's why a lot of these niggas is mad because there's no more money here. So you got niggas that you can clearly look. We can clearly look with our eyes and see niggas' outfits go changing from 2022 now to 2026, and it's not Louboutins no more, or it's not Gucci no more, or it's not that no more, or it's not. We're watching niggas with our own eyes decline. Niggas was pulling up to battles and drop top this and drop top that, and like we watching niggas decline. We watching this man be successful in a culture that we consider home. The goal is to reach the finish line. That's the goal, to reach the finish line. I don't give a fuck what you goofy niggas is talking about. I don't give a fuck what you goofy ass bloggers is talking about. The goal is to reach the finish line. Period. The fans is not being fans no more. The bloggers is not being bloggers no more. And the battle rappers are not being battle rappers no more. And that's what the fuck the problem is. The bloggers should be blogging about the work. The battle rappers should be rapping. The fans should be being fans. I'm watching fans telling battle rappers, suck my dick. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, you bitch ass. There's no lines drawn in this world right now. And y'all niggas is just fucking this shit up. Y'all fucking this shit up. And I'm not saying it's nobody's fault. Like I said, the battle rappers aren't being battle rappers too. You know what I'm saying? Because if I was going to see Jason Tatum play on Saturday, like just as a fan, like I was going to Boston to watch Jason Tatum play, I wouldn't hang with Jason Tatum on Friday. I wouldn't know what hotel room he was in. I wouldn't be smoking a blunt with him after the game and shit like that. So the battle rappers not being battle rappers, the fans not being fans, and the bloggers not being bloggers, and everybody pointing at everybody saying this culture, man, this shit is sinking. We all on the same fucking boat. Well, not we, because I'm smart enough to, but yeah, niggas is on the boat. Niggas is on the same fucking boat. Niggas is on the boat talking about the boat. I'm watching niggas that I would not know if it wasn't for battle rap. I'm watching niggas that have to work every day. Like niggas is clocking in. Niggas acting like they not, but niggas is at work tweeting. Niggas is on the same exact boat, told me, and this battle rap shit going down. Yeah, and if battle rap blew up today, you and your little bum ass battle rap spaces and podcast wouldn't be shit. The little small bit that you have accomplished in life, where you matter a little bit in life, you spend 20 hours talking about how battle rap is dead, but at the same time, if there's no battle rap, we have no use for your existence at all. DNA might still be on Raising Canaan after this. DNA might still be on Power after this. Like DNA might still be on your TV after this. You got some people who existence really would not matter out of this little world. That this is a small world. Battle rap lives on Twitter. Whether y'all want to believe it or not, that's where battle rap live at. Twitter. Blow up Twitter. And all you motherfuckers go back to the regular, to the normal life.
Nigga said blow up Twitter.
Blow up Twitter. Blow this shit up. Blow Twitter up, and all these motherfuckers go back to normal day-to-day life. This Twitter space, little world that battle rap is in, make motherfuckers seem so important that it just stopped being love. Like this shit used to be fun. I'm talking about the shit talking. I'm talking about the back and forths, all that shit. Even when the motherfucker was popping shit, I'm gonna kick your ass. Even when we was dead serious beefing to battle, it was always fun. It's not fun no more. Niggas is up here mad as hell about something that we like. This shit, like, who everybody mad at?
You want me to tell you? Nah, I ain't gonna tell you.
But y'all have a good day, man. Hey, DNA, man, I love what you're doing, man. Great. Listen, man. If they tell me I could put on a motherfucking monkey costume to take care of that pretty little girl that looked just like me, I'm out.
Yo.
Nigga.